1. Marzu, a Sardinian cheese, is so notorious that it's been dubbed maggot cheese, and for good reason. This strong, pungent cheese contains live maggots, which break down the cheese's fats, making it soft and runny. It's often served with the maggots still inside, and if you don't eat it fast enough, they can jump out of the cheese and onto your plate. 2. The world's hottest pepper, the Carolina Reaper, is so spicy that it can cause actual physical pain. It measures over 1,500,000 Scoville heat units, making it roughly 400 times hotter than a jalapeno pepper. People who dare to try it often report intense sweating, heart palpitations, and a burning sensation that can last for hours. 3. Fried tarantulas are a popular snack in Cambodia, where they're considered a delicacy. These 8-legged critters are said to have a nutty, crunchy flavor when fried, and are often seasoned with garlic and salt for extra taste. They're a great source of protein, but their unique texture might put off even the most adventurous eaters. 4. Hakarl, a traditional Icelandic dish, consists of fermented shark meat that's cured and dried for several months. The smell is so overpowering that it's often compared to ammonia or gasoline, and the taste is said to be chewy and fishy. Despite its notorious reputation, hakarl is a beloved national snack in Iceland, often served as a cube or slice with a shot of Brennivin. 5. Durian fruit is so smelly that it's banned from public transportation and hotels in many Southeast Asian countries. The smell is often compared to rotten eggs, sewage, or gasoline, but the taste is said to be sweet and creamy, with hints of caramel and vanilla. Despite its infamous odor, durian is a prized fruit in many cultures, and its unique flavor has earned it the nickname King of Fruits.